First cousin asleep, red dye, number 5 be the potion. Either subterranean, but or from gem of fate like stop motion. Best to get Anka Nicholas, her mass on intangible. Auto man versus manimal. We answer to no one, we 911. Silent alarm, this is harm, fear the duck alerted. LP phase through these walls like vision. Choked in the shallow water, a bad executive decision. Release the kraken, please, put down your skin flutes. How could you motherfuckers think ya? To this mercenary sunblock 2000 burner. All of your knowledge is truant. Unlearn all of the shit, then in over time you become fluent. Sell a fucking store. At the opposite end of the spectrum, your career's never no more. Enter the rectum, and at twilight will skip stones and laugh about your poems. But a blood red book where the others got fun crust is a spot. The terror fabulously gets Sacco Flomasi. Walt Disney meets Kaiser Sauce. There will be no grand comebacks unless Lazarus the Carter. Inflicted bitch styles indicate with stigmata. When locked in a box, but you can't say jack. Tryna paint them fucking red doors black. Like that spilled milk spoils. While Ted Turner and Bill Gates rub each other down with olive oils. Company flow, fuck please. Put away them fucking piteous punchlines. Blue blockers break under the red light, be lit up by my designs. I don't try to be different, I am. So inevitably my style will survive when your now turns to then. LP, vastly crapophobic. 3, 2, 1 contact, never no more, that's the promise. You hold toast, while I hold Thomas. Golden nooks and crannies. Win more ticket raffle off the recycle thought shopping spree winner. Congratulations, I dropped it, now you got it. But it's only a matter of time before Waldo gets spotted. Pulled out of the crowd and martyred. A good old fashioned stoning, my children. The professional is like the fucking check. Until, but for now, you can't get run at night. Curfews is issued in the daylight.